how to add your website to your Facebook information. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your website to your profile information on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, click on those three lines up there, click on profile, click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there, and here search for profile information. Once you find it, click on contact info, edit, and here click just you're gonna find the last option, which is website. Add your website, click on it. Now you can write your website address and click on save to save it to your profile information. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.